Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 218. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 covering this box and a 5 covering this box, so our 5 must be here. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4, 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're only missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 9, 5 here, so 4, 9, and no help here, 4, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 8, 8 here, so 3, 4, and no help here, 3, 4, 8. For this top row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 3, 6. No help here, 3, 6, 8. Same here, 3, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 1, 9. So if we look, the only place the 5 can be in that row is here. We can get rid of this 5. Now the only place the 5 can be in this row is here. And for this row now, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 2 here, so 7, 9, 7 here, so 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, and 7 here. So this is our 9. That makes this our 7. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. The 1 and 9 here make this our 2. This 9 makes this our 1. This 9 makes this our 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 3, 6. That 3 makes this our 8. Let's do some cleanup. With that 6, we can get rid of the 6 and the 6. With that 3 and 8, we can get rid of those. So this is our 4. Looks like we're just gonna have to plug in here. So if we make this our 3, that makes this our 6, 9, 6. And that 3 makes this our 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.